Are you tired of not seeing results from your dropshipping stores, from all the efforts that you put in it, and you just can't get any sales? Or maybe you've tried it before in the past and it just didn't work out for you. Maybe you're just tired of losing money because you just can't get your stores to be profitable. Let me share you guys my secrets that I've been keeping to myself on how to build a successful long-term hybrid dropshipping store that you can actually sustain for a long time, and this will definitely yield results and be profitable, which leads to financial freedom. Let's talk about the main problem here first. You're probably watching a guru on YouTube right now and they're telling you how to do things, but most of these gurus have actually transitioned from running their e-commerce stores into a full-time guru on YouTube. So it's quite difficult to find those people that actually knows what they're talking about. The reason is because most of these gurus that you're watching, they can't make e-commerce work anymore, so they have transitioned into YouTube. You go try follow their strategies and most of their strategies are outdated and saturated as well, meaning other people are doing the exact same thing as you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jandy Cerezo. I'm an 8-figure e-commerce owner. I test, scale, brand, and create a sellable long-term hybrid dropshipping stores. Now, I've been doing e-commerce for the last 6 years now, and let me show you guys some proof that I actually know what I'm talking about. So here you can actually see one of our stores that has generated over pretty much $10,000 today. And if we just go last 90 days, you can see here about $600,000 for one store. And then here's another store here, last 30 days, 160K. If we go today, generated 250K. Last 90 days, generated over $450,000. Here's another store that's generated over 5.2K today. This one we recently just started. So if we just go last 365 days, you guys can see that we're slowly scaling this up. About almost $300,000 in the last 4 months, I would say. So we currently have 3 stores that are running. We are setting up other stores, just testing in general stores and wanting to scale up in the future, which we can transition into long-term dropshipping stores. So here are some proof that I know what I'm talking about, right? Been doing this for the last 6 years. Now, let's start off with a product research. With product research, we're actually going to use AutoDS. Now, the reason why is because this is probably the easiest tool that you can use right now to find a winning product. Now, I am partnered up with them, so you guys can get 30 days free. If you want to access that, make sure to click the link below in the description. So it's so easy to find winning products here, and the criteria for long-term hybrid dropshipping stores that I'm going to be revealing today is pretty much a secret that no one talks about. The reason why I like AutoDS is because, first of all, the first criteria is heavy. We want to test heavy products, and the reason for this is because other dropshippers won't be able to dropship the same product as you, because if you try test a product on AliExpress that is on the heavier side, it's most likely going to cost you hundreds and hundreds of dollars just to ship the product. But with AutoDS, you can find products within USA that ships pretty much 1 business days up to like 5 days. This also will make your customer experience a lot better and create a long-term branded hybrid dropshipping store. Now, the second criteria that I want to talk about is unique and solves a problem, which we have seen in the past from other gurus as well. They've talked about this too, but adding that heavy products aspect to it will definitely decrease your competition up to 95%. Now, the third criteria, which I talked about already, is can be shipped within the USA, hence better customer experience and really fast shipping time. I'm going to show you guys an example of how I find these products. So if you go onto AutoDS, right here on Marketplace, you can actually choose ship from the USA, and it's so easy to find winning products in here. If we just scroll down here, you guys can already see shipping time within 2 business days. Really good products in here as well. We want to find products that are on the heavier side, which also means that you have a bigger profit margin, right? So just scrolling down here, this one's actually pretty cool for Mother's Day, right? Mother's Day is coming up in a couple of weeks from now. This costs about $20 and ships 1 business day. Now let's talk about this product here. This one just caught my eye, so I want to click on it. It costs about $50 and it ships within, let's say, less than 5 days. And this solves a huge problem, right? It's an automatic cat feeder. And that means, again, this is probably going to cost you hundreds of dollars on AliExpress, and this solves a problem, and it's unique as well. So straight away, within a minute, we found a perfect product that you can test right now. Heavy, unique, and solves a problem, and also can be shipped within the USA under 5 business days. That is perfect. Now moving on is that I want to talk about product page creation, because this is pretty important when you're creating your hybrid dropshipping store. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to do that step by step for free. You can just use the Dawn theme and make a simple high converting landing page. I'll give you guys an example first. So for example, this one I just looked up, it's called the Bantora.site. You guys can jump on and see how they're laid out. So here you can see the top of the fold. So what it means by top of the fold is that this is the first thing they're gonna see after they click on your ad. Now the secret of a high converting landing page is that within the copy and the marketing angle, we are going to be applying this as well on our ads. So meaning you need to find the angle, the perfect angle, right? So we are going to be using the Dawn theme for this. I believe this is the Dawn theme as well. So if we just scroll down here, very easy to create a page like this, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that, right? So here, middle of the fold, we'll apply some reviews here, a few images, and also some benefits in here, more benefits in here, and then a couple of images here as well. And obviously we'll add some FAQs, and at the bottom we'll simply apply a Ali review app or Luke's app. That's what I use for most of my stores, and you can grab reviews from Amazon and AliExpress as well. Here I'll give you guys an example on the Dawn theme. It's very easy to pretty much create a high converting landing page such as this one, the example that I showed you. What you guys can do is add block. The Dawn theme is free, by the way, on Shopify. We'll do the custom liquid. We want to paste this here. We want to focus on the benefits, right? I like to put this one just under the price. And here it's looking pretty nice already, right? This is the top of the fold. You can play around with the prices and stuff as well. And the next thing we want to do is you can also add some collapsible rows in here. We'll add a couple here. We just say how it works, and then we want to add another collapsible row here, and we can say also the benefits, right? And you can just keep adding here another one. What we like to put here is, oops, sorry, we want to put shooting information, right? Put that in here, down in here, you know, fill this in, and that would be top of the fold. Now the second thing that we want to do is we want to add sections in here to create that middle of the fold. We want to do it with image with text. Typically we do 2 or 3 image with text. Just to give you guys an example, we're gonna put this, click the second one and image second, so it creates that really nice flow to it. So here you just put some GIFs in here or some images here and the benefits. Now we also gonna add rich text in here, Very important. We'll put this above image with text, just under the product information here. You can also change the colors here. This is going to be remove the buttons. This is going to be our review, so we can say this is best product, right? And then just talk about the reviews in here. Now the next thing we want to do is at the bottom we want to add FAQs in here, and to do that you can simply just do collapsible content again, right? There we go. Now you can call this frequently asked questions, right? And you're gonna fill this in. Again, you can change the colors here, and very simple, very elegant. Download a review app in here and just install it here as well. So that's how fast you can create a high converting landing page. But the most important thing here is making sure that you understand the marketing angle. Based on this product that we just saw on AutoDS, the angle here, you can think about, you don't have to spend time feeding your dogs, or you'll never forget feeding your pets anymore because of this automatic food dispenser as well. Now moving on, finding videos is very important. The first place that I would look at is TikTok. This is for your creatives, right? I would jump on TikTok, jump on YouTube, and also Amazon. A lot of people don't use Amazon. You can actually jump on Amazon and go to a listing. So find UGCs on Amazon as well. So I'm going to be giving you guys an example on how I do this. For example, here on Amazon, you can click food dispenser here. Just search it up. Here, the first thing, you can find really good clips here, high quality clips, right, on how it works. If you just scroll down here, you can actually find more videos here, and that's very, very important. So you can go on a rabbit hole here. If you click more listings, you can find more clips here, sometimes even reviews from people, like for example these ones, right? There are hundreds of UGCs at the palm of your hand. Lots of people are not utilizing this. Definitely use this for finding creatives and sourcing your videos. Now, launching your ads, very important. Depending on the type of the product that you have chosen, typically for us, we choose products that are catered towards TikTok or Facebook as well. I'm going to show you guys how we launch campaigns on TikTok. So here on TikTok, this is how we typically launch our ad. It's pretty similar setup on Facebook as well. We're going to click advanced in here when we try create campaign. We want website conversions. Now we're going to put product name in here, pet feeder, and then product test, and then USA, obviously, let's say UK in this example, and then we're gonna put the break-even point. Let's say if we get it for $50, we're gonna sell it for $150, which means our break-even point, which is your profit margin, is $100. Now we want to do campaign budget optimization in here, and at least $100. Hit continue. Put your pixels in here. We're gonna go select placement. We wanna remove these two, advanced settings, remove video download and video sharing as well. UK. Now depending again on the demographic that you're targeting, if it's either male, female, or just all, select all. For in this example, we want to select all, and then for age we want to hit at least 18 plus. Now we want to keep everything else the same, keep it broad. The reason for that is nowadays the ads does the targeting, right? Now we're not going to touch any budget and schedule. We'll keep it as is. This is pretty much the ad group level, and we keep it broad on everything. The next thing we want to do, we want to hit next in here, and then on the ad level, what we're going to be doing here is that we are going to be testing just one creative, so one ad. You need at least 2 to 3 different video creatives, and then we're going to choose smart creative ads. You're going to upload one ad in here. We're going to have 3 different texts in here. In example, 60% free shipping, add 2 more texts in here, and you can talk about the product. Let's say no more manual labor of feeding your pets or something like that. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 different texts in here. You're gonna duplicate the ad group 2 more times, and you're gonna add the 2 different creatives on that. That's pretty much how we launch our ads. And simply put, by testing heavier products and mixing it up with a high converting landing page and have good UGCs that you can source from on TikTok, YouTube, and Amazon as well. With this simple setup, you'll pretty much have a higher chance of scaling a product because 95% of the competition is already gone. No dropshippers will be testing heavier products. Plus, you have a fast shipping time as well. Now, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Join our Discord group below. I'm going to be adding more resources in there for free for you guys, so make sure you go ahead and do that. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you guys soon.